Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this bird bath from Gray Bunny. It's a 29-inch bird bath. So we got one of these for our backyard already, and we liked it so much we want one for our front yard as well. So it comes with, this is super easy to put together, no tools required. You just simply screw these together. These are plastic, they're not going to rust or anything. Seem to be quite durable. PVC or plastic, should stand up well against the sun, shouldn't really damage it. So these come in 3 different colors, with this greenish antique looking one, and then we have the bronze color as well. This one, however, has like this little base here is open, so you can put like little plants and stuff in here as well. So that's really cool. The other one we have is just a solid base, but I like this one. You can put little decorative rocks there if you want and help hold it down, or like I said, you can put plant flowers in here too. So that's pretty sweet. And here is the actual top here. Look at that, it's pretty, huh? Little birdies can perch here, get their water, go in there, take a little bath, and that just screws right on there on top of there. If it's not screwing on right away, if it's difficult, you probably have it cross-threaded, so just make sure, back it all the way to here, a little click, and then start screwing it in, and it should go in just fine. And also these come with 3 little anchors, and we have these holes right here in the bottom, so we could just pound those in right here, and that'll keep your bird bath even more solid. So another product that we got, which I want to show you guys, is this one right here, and it's a little solar fountain. It's really cool. It works amazingly well. We have one of these in our backyard as well, but this is all it is this little guy right here, and then you put these plastic things in the side. These have these little holes here, and as soon as it goes out in the sunlight, or basically it's a cloudy day out right now, and it's still running just fine. So you just set this in your bird bath, and you have these different adapters on top for different streams of water. So one can be like a higher or lower, and multiple streams coming out of there. You just set it in your bird bath, and as soon as any like sunlight hits it, it's got water coming out. I'm going to show you guys that. We're going to go set it up in the garden right now. So let's go.